हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू एसएसबी क्रैक एग्जाम्स। मैं हूं अनुराधा और आज के सेशन में मैं वापस आ गई हूं विद सम इंपॉर्टेंट सिचुएशंस दैट हैव कॉमनली बीन आस्क्ड इन एसआरटी। सो यू ऑल नो दैट एसआरटी सिचुएशन रिएक्शन टेस्ट व्हिच इज द थर्ड साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्ट इन एसएसबी इंटरव्यूज के थ्रू आपकी साइकोलॉजिकल बिहेवियर्स, आपके इमोशंस एंड एटीट्यूड्स को साइकोलॉजिस्ट टेस्ट करते हैं। तो बहुत सारे सिचुएशंस ऐसे दिया जाता है जिसके थ्रू आपके रिस्पॉन्सेज को चेक किया जाता है टू इवेल्युएट योर साइकोलॉजी। सो देखते हैं किस तरह के सिचुएशंस आपको प्रोवाइड किए जाएंगे एसआरटी में और उसके लिए आप कौन से रिस्पॉन्सेज दिख सकते हो। Starting with the first situation for the part 19 of SRT practice exercises, he is traveling by train when he found a passenger having gun and live bullets. इस केस में वो क्या करेंगे? He will inquire and found that he is a defense personnel and he will be much satisfied. Yeah, he will find out that he is carrying it illegally and he will inform the RPF. Next situation, he finds that his teammates are not paying sufficient attention to the project. This case में he will motivate them, direct them to work hard, keep checking on them and complete the project. Yeah, he will try to find out the problems, he will sort out the problems, reshuffle the responsibilities and assign the task according to their capabilities, check the work continuously, try to solve out the problems that they are facing and complete the project on time. Third situation can be he's interested in basketball, but there is no basketball court in his college. Other colleges are utilizing their courts for their own students practice. इस केस में वो क्या करेंगे? He will join the basketball club outside and practice. Yeah, he will request the other colleges to practice on their playgrounds or on their basketball courts with the other students of their college. Fourth situation, he wants to buy cricket kit, but his father refuses to pay for it. This case में he can convince his father and bought the kit, okay, and play for the different for the school, with the other schools, or he will do some part-time menial job. He will collect his earnings and he will then save the earnings and use them for buying a cricket kit. Yeah, he will save the pocket money that he gets from his father, buy a cricket kit after saving them. Next situation is he finds that his leader is not performing well as a team lead. So इस केस में he will continue working under the leader and he will report, या आप बोल सकते, he will discuss with him, ask for the matter, try to sort it out and make him to regain his leadership qualities. Yeah, you will talk to the higher authorities about his discrepancies in his leadership and you will get the team lead changed. Next situation, the police forcefully takes him to the police station with regard to some case. इसमें वो क्या करेंगे? He will inquire, disclose his identity, clear the misunderstanding and cooperate with them. Yeah, he will call his lawyer or his his brother or his father about the matter. Hire a lawyer and prove his innocence in the case. Next situation is he saw a man jumping out of a women's coach next to his coach. So in case he will shout from the window, divert his mind, told other passengers to stop him and hold him back. Yeah, he will pull the chain, give first aid to the man and also inform the RPF and give the man the medical attention he needs. Next situation, his leader took them to a long route for expedition and their expedition is already halfway through. This case he will discuss with the leader, show the short route on the map and follow it. Yeah, he will continue with the orders of his leader and enjoy the route. The next situation is he has to go to his unit urgently. After reaching the railway station, he found that his train has started running and he has not bought the ticket yet. So, in this case, he will board the next train and reach his location as early as possible, or he will board the train without ticket, pay the fines or fees to the TTE and reach the unit on time. Yeah, he will take the bus, okay, and reach the unit on time. The next situation is while going home by taxi, he found that the taxi driver is drunk and no other taxi is available nearby. So, in this case, he will get down and reach home through public transports, or he will get down, call his brother and tell him to pick him up and then go home together. Now, these were some of the situations which I discussed. अगर आप अपने रियल लाइफ सिचुएशन में अगर ऐसे सिचुएशंस फेस करते हो, कुछ और काम आप एक्शंस लोगे तो आप इजीली उस रिस्पॉन्सेस को लिख सकते हो. इट्स नॉट अ हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल दैट यू हैव टू राइट these responses. Okay, these are some sample responses which I have shown to you. Now I'll give you 5 situations for your homework, for which I want you to write one response for each of these situations in the comment box below. So number 1 is he is boarding the train and found the general coach overcrowded. Second, in group discussion, members are refusing his point. Third, he is out for trekking with his friends when one of them went missing. Fourth, he was told to handle an event about which he is not aware of and doesn't have much details. And fifth, he saw a person shivering at the railway station. Now, If you want to prepare for your upcoming SSB interview like this, I want you to get yourself enrolled to SSB interview online course, because this is the best online course in the entire market for your SSB interview preparation. इसके थ्रू आपको सारे प्रेप मटेरियल्स मिलेंगे, वीडियो सेशंस मिलेंगे, और इसके साथ साथ आप लाइव क्लासेस में भी पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हो टू मेक योर SSB इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन मोर स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड इफेक्टिव. इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर एनी अदर रिटन डिफेंस एग्जाम, उसके लिए भी कोर्सेस हमारे ऐप में आपको मिल जाएंगे. सो डाउनलोड SSB क्रैक एग्जाम्स लर्निंग ऐप टुडे. यूज द कोड warrior10 while you are getting yourself enrolled into the course, so that you get 10% discount on it. Also, make sure that you are staying tuned with us and checking out all the sessions that we are bringing for you for your SSB interview preparation. So I'll see you next with part 20 of the SRT practice exercise. Till then, stay tuned with us and always stay positive and motivated. Jai Hind.
अगर आप एक डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट हैं और SSB इंटरव्यू, NDA, CDS, FCAT जैसे एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, तो आप SSB क्रैक एग्जाम्स के कोर्स को चेक करना ना भूलें. आप हमारी लर्निंग एप्लीकेशन को गूगल प्ले स्टोर से भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं.